The pair of senators tagged in the probe of failed and fictitious flood control structures are seeking to sue assistant district engineer for dragging them into the mix of bad actors in the FCP mess. Maybe their show of indignation was real or perhaps performance art, but one thing is clear. The jury is still out on them, as our Daniel Manalastas reports.
If Mr. Hernandez truly stands by his allegations, I challenge him right now to take a lie detector test with me. Naggalit talaga ako. Talaga napamura ako. Napakasinungaling nitong taon to.
This was the challenge of Senator Jinggoy Estrada to former DPWH 1st District Assistant Engineer Bryce Hernandez after accusing him of allegedly being involved in anomalous flood control projects. Estrada said he does not know the intentions of Hernandez, but he believes that Hernandez wants to get back at him. Estrada also answered allegations on hundreds of millions worth of projects being thrown at him.
Lahat siya nasa GAA. Everybody can choose any item from the GAA at ibintang kahit kanino senador.
So wala kayong ganung pina-allocate?
Isang malaking kasinungalingan ng mga pinagsasabi niya patungkol sa pagbabako ng mga proyekto.
Yesterday, this scene during the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee hearing got viral.
Sa dami-dami mong binanggit na pangalan na kongresista, salang tanong ko, Senador, meron ba?
Your Honor, wala po.
Sigurado ka? Safe ka na?
Sigurado po.
I resent that statement.
Nung sinabi niyang safe ka, alam ko naman biro niya, pero in the eyes of the public, parang it was uncalled for.
Estrada said he will file charges against Hernandez. Meanwhile, on photos revealed, showing him with former DPWH Bulacan District Engineer Henry Alcantara.
I do not know, I cannot recall that event, pero sa dami naman nagpapapicture sa akin, hindi ko mo pwede tanggihan.
Meanwhile, Senator Joel Villanueva also belied the allegations hurled against him, as Hernandez also tagged him to anomalous projects.
Kapag bad ka, lagot ka. Pero ngayon, Mr. President, kapag good ka, lagot ka sa mga sindikato. Nagulat po ako nung meron pong kumaladkad sa pangalan natin, wala po ako kailanman naging flood control project. I will never betray my principle. I will never, ever, Mr. President, destroy the name that was given to me by my parents.
Meanwhile, although Villanueva did not name names, he still took a swipe at an unnamed someone during the session.
Pero klarong-klaro po sinong mastermind, Mr. President. Klarong-klaro po kung nasaan na si Dracula, kung bakit bumaba ang kanyang dugo, kasi hindi na ho malaman kung saan tatago yung bilyon-bilyon o trilyon-trilyon sa lapi.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.